Dear children, we have discussed paper pattern of Science and Technology, paper 1. Now we will discuss paper pattern of Science and Technology, part 2, that is section B. Now we have seen that question number 1A is MCQ, that is multiple choice question. Again, remember it, you have to write only the alphabets and in a first attempt only. Then question number 1B, again the objective question is there. In that, questions like find odd one out, find the correlation, find out difference between two components, means the two components will be given and you have to write in one sentence what is difference between them, or make the pairs, or right or wrong. In right or wrong, again if the wrong statement is there, you have to clarify your answer why it is wrong. And for odd man out also, you have to write the explanation why you have choose that odd one. Means you have to write the explanation for odd one out and for right or wrong. Question number 2A is give scientific reasons. 4 points will be expected from you, that is half marks for 1 point. Question number 2B, write short notes, complete the flow chart or a table. Again 4 blanks will be there and you have to write that blanks and you have to again rewrite that table. Don't write only the answer. Then distinguish between is there. In that again 4 points are expected. Means see children, question number 2B is of 2 marks. Means if you want 2 marks, you have to write minimum 4 points. Then uses may be asked, characteristics may be asked, then draw a neat label diagram or label the diagram, or sometime wrong diagram will be there. You have to clear the diagram and then you have to give the correct label or give examples like these questions can be asked. Question number 3, complete the table or flow chart will be there. Explain with examples will be there. Then complete the diagrams will be there. Identify the figure and write answers will be there, and complete the paragraph. Now as this is a 3 marks question, 6 blanks will be there, or it is expected that you have to write the 6 points. Now in all these questions, maximum questions are on a personal response. But when you are writing the answers with a personal response, you have to stick up with the textbook only. So that you have to take the points of the textbook and then you have to elaborate your answer. Question number 4 is an answer in detail, that is only 5 mark question, only one question you have to attempt. In that again draw the figure and you have to explain it, or draw a new diagram to correct the given inaccurate one and explain. Means wrong diagram will be there. You have to redraw the diagram and then whatever the 5 questions or 3 questions will be there, you have to explain them. Then classify with detailed explanation. Classification of animals you have to learn in science 2. So any of the 1 or 2 animals will be given. You have to classify and you have to write the characteristics of that animals. Then concept map may be there. Complete the table may be there. Complete the chart with the explanation may be asked.